we're gonna put some lights on the car. See the goofy red and yellow lights though? They don't match, they don't go with the vibe. So we're gonna start with the front side markers. We're gonna get rid of this orange, which definitely desperately needs. I will note that there are probably instructions on how to do this. I am anti-instructions personally. They're right there. So I'll use my needle nose to pinch them and then the light will just shoot out and land on the ground or whatever. Told you. Shoot out, land on ground. As predicted. I'm not saying it's by the book way to do it, but it is a way you can do it and it will be done quick and your car will look amazing in 30 minutes. Hey, I'm Jordan with House of Boost. We are here getting ready to do form lighting and diode dynamics lighting on the FX Mustang. So we're gonna see how all that looks at and how easy it is to install, but it's gonna really finish off the look of the FX. That sounds amazing. God, I hope that sound comes through on the video because man, that sounds good. You get close to it. I'm gonna hug it. Oh yeah. That's probably the coolest sounding car we have here. So shout out to Wrap Effects. They did full PPF. They did carbon fiber on the whole back of the car, the top of the spoiler, the roof, the mirrors. That was all their design, all their idea, and we freaking love it. It looks awesome. It's unique. If you need anything at all done, PPF, wrap, any of those things, call Wrap Effects. You won't regret it. They do amazing work, and I mean, we use them for everything. Now, moving on. Let's go, we're gonna put some lights on the car. As soon as I find them. I don't know where they put them. Somewhere. He said in the back, but I don't know what that means. Oh, Lord, she's pretty. See the goofy red and yellow lights though?
Doesn't match. They
don't match. They don't go with the vibe. And we're trying to vibe here. We got some Miami vibes going on here we're trying to go for. Liam, what do you think? Would you drive it?
Oh yeah, beautiful machine.
It's a beautiful machine. There's no doubt. Good thing you popped the hood. We don't need it to do what we're doing, but I'll tell you what, it's a good habit to be in, and I get to see my blower again.
We get to see the
Oh, she's pretty. Don't act like you're not impressed. Look at this, sweet. So, all right, stick with us. We're gonna do some lighting. I'm gonna get this thing, he's gonna get this thing lifted up, and I'm gonna start pulling parts off of it so we can make it pretty. So we're gonna start with the front side markers. We're gonna get rid of this orange, which definitely desperately needs. So I start by taking the little push clips out of the front bumper, or yeah, through the fender liner, okay? So that's what we're gonna do here. And then I pull back the fender liner. These are super easy, by the way. Unplug the plug-in, and then I gotta get my head in here so you're not gonna see anything. It's definitely easier to do with the wheel off because you can fit more in here, but you can do these front ones with the wheel off or on. And it's basically, you gotta pinch these two little connectors. There's one and two. Out comes the light. So you just pinch these guys and then you can just push it out and then the bottom just snaps in. So then what you do is you walk over to the new ones. Scooter gang outside ripping after it. Scoots. And then you match it up with the new ones, which are absolute perfect. Looks perfect to me. And then you look at your hole and make sure it lines up. And you go stick that down. And it snaps in. It's that easy. I don't know if you can like see the immediate difference that it makes, but it is insane, the difference that it makes. So, and blow, fronts are done. That one is. I won't put you through watching the other side, but it's exactly the same. You just turn the wheel the other way and do it the exact same way. Put all your push clips back in and it's done. So you can take the wheel off and it gets a lot easier. I'm not doing that just because I'm lazy. I don't know what the right word is. Lazy is probably it. But there are 1, 2, 3 7mm bolts inside here. I have a little wobble socket and an impact, and it will probably bite me. But I'll probably use the combination of this and a battery-powered ratchet. Just be careful with a wobble. It'll take your finger off. Not really, but it hurts. So I have 3. I got to get to them. Magic tools. So there's 2. I have 1 little push clip down here. I don't know if you can see them. There's rubber in here. I don't know why there's rubber all over this thing. I have a tool for this, but it's next door, so I'm gonna use a pair of pliers, probably my other ones. And ta-da! I will note There are probably instructions on how to do this. I am anti-instructions, personally.
This is the Jordan way.
The third bolt goes up and into the quarter panel through the bumper. So that's where the third bolt goes. So all I do with these is you grab this corner pretty firmly and just pull straight out. And that gives you just enough room to unplug the light. And then he's got these same two little clips on top that you have on all the other ones. I'm gonna use a pair of needle nose to pinch them, but they're right here. If you can see it, they're right there. So I'll use my needle nose to pinch them, and then the light will just shoot out and land on the ground or whatever. Doesn't matter. Nobody likes the red ones anyway, right? Can't see what I'm doing. Told you. Shoot out, land on ground. As predicted. You guys, I can't tell you how much better that these look than the factory ones. Like they are so much better. So you just snap it in, get it plugged in, and then you want to get your bumper snap back in, and then you put all your bolts back, and then the push clip, and then you're done. Bam, just like that. Piece of cake, right? Make sure your ratchet's on, tighten. Sounds like a dumb piece of advice, but I can tell you right now, I've been super frustrated by that before. Where you're like, hand me the ratchet, and they hand it to you and it's on loosen, and you go to tighten something and drop the bolt that you've been spending like 20 minutes trying to put in. I'll tell you this, all 4 side markers in what, like 20 minutes? So it's...
If that.
Yeah. I'm not saying it's by the book way to do it, but it is a way you can do it, and it will be done quick, and your car will look amazing in 30 minutes.